Dropshipping is a very controversial business model in 2023. Some argue that the model doesn't work anymore, while others proving its profitability. But let me tell you that in 2022, the global dropshipping market size was valued at $225 billion. With that being said, you're just as capable as anyone else to profit from dropshipping. So if you're ready to start your dropshipping business and get your share of that big pie, then make sure to stay and watch this video till the end. Hi, my name is Amy from eCommerce, and in this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about dropshipping. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to start and run a profitable dropshipping business with Shopify. But first, let's see what is dropshipping. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method to sell products online from third-party suppliers. So often businesses favor this method to avoid handling inventory and logistics. So basically, this is very attractive, low-cost business model because although you are selling physical products, you'll never have to handle inventory, packaging, or shipping. Instead, you mainly focus on product branding and marketing. So how does dropshipping work? It's a three-way relationship between your website, your dropshipping supplier, and your customer. So for example, your customer purchased product from your website. Then your website automatically notified your dropshipping supplier. Then they pick, pack, and ship the product directly to your customers for you. Your supplier will charge you the cost of the product, and you'll keep the margin you added on top when your customers ordered from your website. Now, how to start your dropshipping in 5 steps. Step 1. Market research. Search for popular niches and identify potential products that are in high demand. You can use tools like Google Trends to see if the product is trending upwards or downward, social media platforms, and online marketplaces to gather insights about trending products. For example, let's compare niches like baby products, vintage t-shirts, and kitchen gadgets. And now we can clearly see that on average, people search for baby products way more. So use this tool to identify and compare what niche you should pick. Step 2. Find dropshipping supplier. After you've researched about the product you want to sell, now it's time to find your dropshipping supplier. And I really can't stress enough the importance of this step because your dropshipping business literally will only be as good as your supplier. So you want to make sure you pick a supplier that can provide you with high quality service and reasonable prices. You can look for suppliers on platforms like AliExpress or Amazon, but make sure to check their reviews, shipping time, and product quality before making any decisions. Step 3. Build your e-commerce store. Next, after we've got our products and suppliers, we need to build our own e-commerce store where we'll acquire new traffic, sell products, and process payments. As a beginner, I would really recommend you to use platforms like Shopify. It's a great platform to start your business because it's fast, easy to use, and there's a million apps that can help your business grow. Sign up for a free trial, choose a catchy store name, and design your store. You can watch a step-by-step tutorial on how to build your Shopify store, and I will put the link in the description. Step 4. Add products to your store. You can import products directly from your supplier's website. You can use an app and extension like Deezers to import reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store. Simply add the extension, select the product, and add it to your Deezers account. From here, customize it and write the title and description. You can ask ChatGPT to help you write a compelling and high-volume keyword copy for your product page and add some high-quality images. After finishing, you can publish your product to your Shopify store. Even better, if you can also include some of the best customer reviews to build more trust to your newly updated product. You can also use an app like Ali Reviews to import reviews from AliExpress or SCV file. Step 5. Advertise your online store. Dropshipping is a very competitive market, and a good marketing strategy is what will keep you apart from competitors. Run paid ads on Facebook and Google to raise awareness of your product. Nowadays, people tend to trust influencers more than traditional advertisement. So, influencer marketing can be an effective way to reach your audience in a very short time. Start content marketing. Write blog posts, film videos, and don't forget to put call to action at the end of each of your content. Make sure you distribute your marketing budget smartly and keep track of your actual profit and loss. But if you're not confident in your accounting skill, you can use apps like True Profit that will calculate everything for you and track how much you actually make in real time. That's it from me today. Let me know if you have any further questions in the comment section below. We post a new video every single week, and if you want to learn more about e-commerce, please make sure to subscribe to get notified when we post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.